Howdy partners, this is Kiram with Clear Imaging. We make wicked websites, you know it. So we've got a site here, lawncareclearwaterflorida.com. What I want to do is a quick SEO Don'ts video here. Some things here on this site that are not good and that you shouldn't do on your website. So let's just dive right in. First things first, let's press Ctrl-U on that keyboard. Open the source and look for the title. Title is super important. It tells Google what the page is about. Every page needs a unique title. All right. And you see it up here in the tab. That's where you see it. And this title is a joke because it has landscaping, landscapers, landscaping, Clearwater, Clearwater, Clearwater. This is what we would call keyword stuffing. It's not good. You can be penalized by Google for doing something like that. So what you want to have is your company name, just like this, and then your service area. And then you can also throw in, okay, what kind of work you do. But as you can see, their company name has landscaping in it, so they're kind of covered there. This is what they should have. They should cut off the rest of this. You don't want to mess around with Google, so that is what I would suggest for the homepage title. If we look at some titles on inside pages, it's a little more, sensible. This is perfect. Company details. Okay, that's referencing what this page is about. Company name, location. Much better than the home page. How about sod? Control-U, sod, Clearwater. Again, too much. All right, you don't need to put the same thing repeated. That would be keyword stuffing, so you don't want to do that. Anyway, I think you get the idea. Let's keep going. Let's look at keyword density, all right? Landscaping is the main keyword for this website. Let's press Control-F. Let's type in landscaping. And it appears 33 times. Holy smokes. That's a lot. Let's press Highlight All, all right? And it is all over the shop. Check it out, landscaping. So that would be over-optimized. That's too much SEO. That's keyword stuffing. You don't want to have that much going on. How about their main service area? Clearwater. 34 times. Holy smokes. Look at all these. That is just outrageous. I mean, they're really trying to rank well for that, but that is not the way to do your SEO. You want to be much more chill about it. And just think about the user experience. As a visitor, I'm here and I'm seeing this repeated so many times in all of these headings in the text. I'm kind of like, well, what's with these guys? It feels phony. It feels weird. It's creating a bad user experience, and that's why Google penalizes websites like this. They're sacrificing the user experience to get the benefit of trying to rank well in Google. Well, Google is not stupid. This site will be penalized. Other things to look at. They actually have pages for each city, which is a great thing to do. That is a standard SEO maneuver. But the pages need to be quality. Let's take a look at some of them. We got done eating. We got done eaten. Clearwater, Largo. And what's changing as I switch between these tabs? Largo, Dunedin, Largo, Dunedin. Well, it's almost the same page. And they just substitute out a few words. So they're just putting a whole bunch of lists there. How about your home deserves? If we go back and forth with the tabs, we'll see what changes. Okay, right where the other one was. Basically the same. So they're just substituting out a few words. Very low quality. All right, this is called duplicate content. So we're going to assume all these pages have that. So all these pages in Google's eyes will be duplicates and they will be devalued. You don't want that. They're kind of shooting themselves in their foot because the whole purpose was to create pages to rank well in Google, but these pages are trash in Google's eyes. All right. So those are some SEO don'ts. You don't want to do any of that kind of stuff. You want to keep it chill. You don't want to sacrifice the user experience. If I go ahead and read, their page on Dunedin, I'm a prospect, and I'm like, well, I'm actually more probably Clearwater Beach, actually. It's more relevant to me. And I read this page. It's the exact same page. You want to have unique content on every page, in other words. So the idea is don't try to trick Google. Just make good content. That's all you got to do. Have it uniquely written for each page. Get a writer and just pay them to write a different content for each page. There's a few other SEO situations. One thing they have really going for them is the amount of text on the homepage. Like, they are doing really good. They probably have a good 1,000+ words, which is the thing to do on the homepage. However, again, it's peppered too heavily with keywords, so they should tone it down a bit. But they're doing really good with the amount of text on their pages. All right. So that was just a little quick SEO Don't audit. There's definitely a lot more to check out on this website, but I just wanted to show you some of these things. So basically you can learn from this and make sure you're not doing that for your website, because you should be doing things that will win in the long run and not get short gains, which then get penalized. So it's the long game with SEO. So you want to play by the rules so your website can be in Google for. Okay, well, I hope that was useful for you. And this is us, of course, over here, clearimaging.com. We design wicked websites, been at it for 2 decades, helped over 2,500 American companies, fresh web designs, and very ethical SEO. Very few web companies have been around this long. So if you want some help, come on down. We'd love to help you. Come on over here, contact page, and let us know if there's anything we can do for you.